I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I'm being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Yeah, I'm gonna show it right now. This is the website. Yeah, my boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. I would add your photos here in the gallery, this link, and same thing with the contact details on this link, together with the map on the side. And if you have any other information about the services that you're offering, you can also add it here. And of course, about the company on this link. We can add it here. Now, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit the reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention, my name is Julie, and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Talk to you soon.